Everybody, welcome back. Let me turn on the TV because I have the TV playing while the baby sits on her swing. Um, she can be distracted while I get this done. So I am baking 2 cakes today. I'm making a C for my sister. Her name's Claudia, so a C. And then my brother-in-law, Giancarlos, I'm also gonna make him a cake. His name starts with a D, so I'm making a C and a D today. I have 4 layers here. Once again, disregard how I look. This is mom life. I wake up and go. So just to let you know, my hands are clean. Everything's clean. So I have 4 here because I'm doing 2 layers. So I have to make 2 C's and 2 D's. I'm filling it up with whipped cream, and then I'm gonna start decorating the top of them. I feel like letter cakes and number cakes are the easiest cakes to make. Just for me, because I'm not like a professional cake decorator or baker. I just do this for fun. You literally fill in the middle, put the other layer, and you literally decorate the top how you want to decorate. So I didn't show obviously mixing the cake. I didn't record that because I just followed on the back of the box. I used the Duncan Hines Perfectly Moist Cake. I feel like this is better than the Betty Crocker one. So instead of the water, I do oat milk. You can do any milk that you want, but I just do milk in general. And then I add a pudding packet. What the pudding does is it makes it extra moist. I learned that on YouTube. Okay guys, jumping right into it. So each cake is going to have 2 layers. What I did was I stacked 2 layers, cut out the C, and then I did the same thing and cut out a D. You can see on the C that I have a little piece at the bottom of the C that I cut out too much of. So I'm going to glue that together with the whipped cream. And I do this with anything that falls off. Like you can kind of see on the edge of the D, I'm going to put that back together with whipped cream. And I was only supposed to make a C cake for this party, but then last minute we decided to throw a party for both Claudia and John Carlos's cousin. So everything that I add on top of this cake, I was not prepared for. So I had to come up with an idea from what I had. So I wasn't too happy about how the D came out. But you guys will see anyways. So right now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to be making the whipped cream. Honestly, if I could go back, I would do this with buttercream just because it holds up longer. Whipped cream is kind of light, but I love whipped cream and it tasted good. So what I did was I added, I think it was 2 cups of heavy cream, and then I added some powdered sugar, and then later on I add a tablespoon or maybe a teaspoon of vanilla. I also don't have one of those cake machines, so I use this handheld whisk that I have. Right now it's not on. I'm just trying to get the dry powder into the liquid so that it doesn't fly everywhere. But I do this for, I want to say maybe a full minute and a half, and you guys can see that it slowly starts getting thicker into a frosting. And yeah, that's basically what I use to fill the cake and also frost the top of the cake. Okay guys, so now I grab that whipped cream and I put it into my piping bag, and I'm gonna go ahead and just pipe away. This is gonna be the middle layer of the 2 cakes. I'm starting with the D. So I kind of just make these little dots on top of the cake. I'm not that good at it, but hey, you really couldn't tell. So I feel like I did pretty good, but you guys can judge that for yourself. But yeah, like I said earlier, I do wish that I used buttercream. It's just more solid, and the whipped cream is just too light for this. So I definitely will make that change the next time I do a number cake or letter cake. What it was is that my tip that I was using was just too small, but I didn't have anything bigger, so I kind of had to work with it. But yeah, you guys just enjoy this satisfying video here because I feel like it's just so satisfying to watch. You guys can hear Camila in the background. But now I'm just piping some whipped cream on the top of the cake. And this pretty much is like the rest of the cake. After this, you literally decorate them and that's it. The cakes are finished after this. Okay, so like I said, I already had the C planned out. I already had what I was gonna do for it, and I was prepared. For the D, I was not prepared. But here is the easiest part of making these letter slash number cakes. Like, literally, you decorate them and they look so good. With the flowers, now these are real flowers, but what I do is I tape around the stem and then I stick them into the cake rather than just putting the stem right in there. Okay, so Dariel's cake. He loved it. Everybody there loved it. In my opinion, I did not love it, but you know, it was good overall. I just was trying to go for like a eucalyptus theme, and I ended up taking the eucalyptus off. And then this green that I came up with, I wasn't really feeling it. So, yeah, you guys will see how it ends up. Okay, so then I wanted to show you guys these cute little desserts. So easy. I literally bought a cheesecake from Publix. I took the crust out and then I took the cheesecake part out and separated it. And then I started layering the cups from crust to the cheesecake and then I added some strawberry jam. Super easy. Put whipped cream on the top and then added a strawberry. These are the most easiest desserts that you can make out of anything. I just wanted to show you guys this because this is my first time doing it and I think they came out amazing. Okay guys, good morning. Hi. So I realized that I didn't finish off the cake video. I didn't do like an outro. And then on top of that, I recorded the cakes finished and it's nowhere on my phone. Like I'm literally wondering did I hit record? So I'm so sorry anyways, but this is us finishing out the video. Everybody loved the cakes. And I'm going to insert a picture of both of the cakes. Also, I was thinking about recording like a day in the life of being a mom. So, like this video if you guys would like to see that next. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Comment down below if you want to see our life on the daily. Okay, love you guys. Besitos. See you in the next one.